Shrika, where you came?
A toy.
Oh, you want to buy toy? Oh, you came Walmart?
Yeah.
Wait. Careful, Shrika. Shrika, careful. Wow.
Hold my hand.
I want this toy car, Dad.
Okay, you want that shopping cart? Okay, let's take that shopping cart. Take a car over there.
Okay, go and get a shopping cart.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, you're saying hi to Star, Shrika? Hi, Star. You can take shopping cart inside. Come. Where you are going? No?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Shrika, sometimes.
The handles came
Okay.
off for me.
Oh, your
Adi.
canvas came out?
Wait, David.
What do you want to buy, Shrika?
I want
Shrika, this one.
What do you want to buy?
This finger is not coming here. Watch here, Nana. Your finger has to come here. Shrika, your finger has to come here. Oh, Lego?
Where's the Lego?
Oh, Shrika, this is for 5 places. Oh, this is very
How
small.
old are you, Shrika? 1,
3 years.
2, 3 years.
3 years.
That is for 5.
Shrika, this is for 5. Let's go.
We'll see and
Bye.
find 3-year-old guys or 4-year-old. What is that? What is that? Oh, is Sophia? Oh, Sophia one? What daddy is looking to see?
Shrika, what is that?
Blue one?
Blue one. You want blue one? What is it?
Shrika shopping a lot.
Shrika. Want a blue one or orange one? Blue one, okay. What is this?
That is also water.
No.
You can pick water and
Oh, water. Yeah.
press.
Shrika, air.
Careful. No.
Oh, some sounds here. Put back.
Oh, it's not summer. We can't play outside with water. So we can buy in summer, okay? It's cool outside. But you can play with gun in home.
Water gun we can play. Shrika. Back. Oh, good job. Big water gun.
No.
Shrika, what? Big.
Oh, I think that is baby one. Baby still play. Baby.
Shrika. Back.
What's Shrika is speaking? It's microwave. Has sandwich inside.
How wonderful.
Rika, what is this? This one? Show me how did this one look like?
There's magic in Shrika. You have Barbie at home? You have this one, right, Shrika? You have Barbie? You remember? Okay, you can put back there. You can put back there.
Original దానం పెట్టుకోండి.
Oh.
Original దానం. Record అవుతుందా?
Oh, Shrika, what you put? Show me your hat. Oh, fire engine hat. Nice hat. Show me back side. What is that? Oh, it's nice. Fire engine hat. I think you have to put the other way.
Now,
The right way? This way?
no.
No? I don't know. Hey, Shrika, what you got?
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Shrika.
What you got?
Have kicker.
Stickers?
You got
How many
stickers?
stickers? Show it to mommy.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, 12
Toddy.
stickers.
Oh, this one Toddy. We have a turtle. You have cat. Meow, 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 meow. What is this? Owl?
Oh, I think
Oh, whose
there are
heart is this?
44 pieces of stickers. You can
Wow,
see
you
more
have 44.
stickers.
Let's open this
If you
one.
open.
Okay, Dad.
And you also got a lollipop and a heart sleeves. Wow, giant bag. Shrika, what to eat it? Is tummy full, Shrika? You ate already?
Oh, let me open it.
Where do you want to put the stickers?
Oh, what got you? Okay, open it.
Yay!
Oh my god, you got so many stickers.
You got so many?
Show it to mommy.
1,
Wow, one
Two,
sheet. Second sheet.
2, 3, wow, 4, 5. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow.
Oh, a lot. What you will do, Shrika, with stickers?
I want to put chicken.
Where you want to put the sticker?
On chair, Srika's chair, on Srika's table, and on Srika's laptop, and Daddy's laptop. Oh, keep it here, laptop. Srika, one. On Daddy. Wow.
Oh, nice dad. What is that? It's a beautiful cat.
Never.
Okay.
Srika.
Oh, all. Where you want to put all? Oh, you like all, Shrika?
Yes.
Albert.
Oh, owl.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, what is this?
What is that? You want to put mommy? Here, put here. Wow, it's so nice. Wow, what is this? I can't see. Oh, it's another puppy? Oh, big
Puppy cat.
guy.
Oh, my backpack.
Oh, your laptop.
Okay, go get your laptop.
Take a laptop.
Yeah, get your laptop. Go Tati.
You have beautiful hearts. Shrikant, did you got your laptop?
Okay.
Did you find Shrikant?
You need help, Sika? Okay. There you go. Hey, Tati. Me and you take baby Tati. Baby Tati here. You see, Daddy Tati. Oh, where is baby Tati? Baby Tati here. Baby Tati keeps down your shoulder. Baby Tati. Here. Take out that one. Baby Tati.
You
Daddy.
can put another.
Yeah, this side, this side. This is. Okay, we are in Tati group. Which group we are in? Tati group. Tati. Show me your group. What group? Oh, Tati. Daddy Tati. Tati group. Oh, mommy also give one Tati to mommy. Mommy, Daddy. This is mommy Tati. Give it to mommy Tati. Keep it here. Mommy Tati. Daddy Tati. Tortoise. Oh, Ashrika, this is your laptop, right? Give one Tati. Tati also. So Tati laptop. Where is Tati? Oh, here or there?
I think you left one here. You have only 4 Tatis. One for
Shrika
mommy,
Tati.
one
Oh,
for
give it to
daddy.
Puppy. Your Puppy, Nana. Puppy. One Tati to Puppy. Oh.
Oh, you- wow, nice. Look at it, Shrika.
Hmm. No, this is fox.
Fox?
This is cat.
You want to put all the stickers to your laptop, Shrika?
Heart. Heart. Oh, small heart, big
So
heart.
many hearts Shrika have.
Hmm. Wow.
Pick the heart.
Wow, nice laptop preparation, Shrika. Wow.
Oh, you want to keep inside? Wow, heart inside. Wow, good job.
Happy team.
Shrika, you are in which group? Tati group? You have to show your Tati. Oh, Tati, you are in Tati group. Oh, mommy. Oh, you are mommy group. Okay, Tati group. You are in Tati group.
A pig on the heart.
Hey, pink heart. Oh, close this one. You have to keep that one inside. Magic wand. Magic wand. You want to keep them magic wand?
Done.
Happy mom.
Okay, you can save that. You can put later to your other toys. You have so many toys. Shrika.
Oh, Shrika, give it to Potato Man. I will get Potato Man. Give one tot.
Okay. Todd, Papa.
Hey, Potato Man. Potato
Mrs.
Man.
Potato, that is not man.
Oh, this is Mrs. Potato. Uh-oh. I don't know. Oh, you want to give heart?
Your heart to heart.
Wow, nice. Cute for a potato, Mrs. Potato.
That's her. My mom keeps a pet. That's her.